And they're off. Welcome back, everybody. I'm not calling a horse race, but I'm watching one. Today we're making a famous recipe for the Kentucky Derby at Churchill Downs. That is the mint julep. So I didn't know if I was going to like it. We tried it. These things are very delicious. So I'm going to show you how to make it today. You're really going to need 3 simple things. A bottle of your favorite bourbon. I like Buffalo Trace. It's one of my favorite inexpensive bourbons. I know at Churchill Downs they're going to use probably Woodford. You're going to need simple syrup. And they say use mint that's as fresh as possible. It's not going to get any fresher than this. I bought myself a spearmint plant. That's the kind of mint you're going to use for this. And look at this. It's going to be like 3 seconds old when we use it. So the first thing we're going to do is break off a spear of this mint. And they say about 6 leaves in the container. You can muddle this or just shake it in with some ice. So we're going to shake it in and then we're going to garnish with this little guy. All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to want to use crushed ice here. You want to fill it with crushed ice all the way to the top. And I know if you're at the Derby or doing a classic drink, you're going to drink it in a tin. We're going to drink it in a standard bourbon glass. Then we're going to start off with our bourbon. We're going to use 2.5 ounces of bourbon. There's 1 ounce, 2 ounces and a half. We're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. And we have our mint leaves in here already. We're just going to put in a couple ice cubes because we want to break up these mint leaves. Don't overshake it because then the bitterness of the mint comes out. So just a good shake. And we're going to top this off. Garnish with a mint leaf. And there you go. All right, so there's really only one thing left to do, and that's taste this. So we're going to give this a good taste. Oh yeah, forgot one more thing. You got to have a hat at the Derby, right? Check this out. Okay, so cheers. Here's our mint julep. That's actually, for adding sugar to a bourbon, that's actually very good. You can just taste a little hint of the mint, but otherwise, that's actually a nice, refreshing drink. So I appreciate you watching. Please do me a favor, click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click the notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos, and thanks for stopping. Cheers.